What's going on, everybody? Well, it's been a little while, but today we're going to be doing some wood turning. While I was at UKIWS, I picked up a walnut blank and a segmented ring from Leon from Would You Believe It? I'll leave his links down in the description to his website and to everywhere where you can find him. He sells segmented ring kits and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, you can go and check him out. So yeah, we're going to be doing a walnut dish or bowl, if you like, with a, I believe it's a maple and a walnut segmented ring. I can't remember exactly what it is he said it was, but it looks nice anyway. So cheers for that, Leon. So yeah, I guess we better do it, but I guess beforehand I best get ready. That's better. Let's get on with the video. Rightio, as you can see, I've got everything all centralised. I'm going to be mounting it via a worm screw. But before we get started, my good friends at Easy Wood Tools have kindly sent me their Easy Chuck. So let's have a quick look at that. Right, so we've got the instruction manual, which I've already gone through. We have the chuck itself. Nice beastie thing, made in America. So yeah, it's real nice quality. Nice, yeah, real nice chuck. We have the worm screw, which is what I'll be mounting it to today. Two different sizes, as you can see. Yeah, there you go, which holds inside the jaws there. Bit of foam padding. Then we have this is the tool for releasing the jaws. Now if I hold up to the camera, you can see the little hole there. Well, what this tool here does is it goes inside and just pull it out. As simple as that. And you go around and do the next one, and it just pops straight out. As simple as that. You see? So then you've got this tool here. Right, what that one does is you get your jaws to whatever size you want, and then this tool here, just you put it inside there and just finish it off and tighten it up. Okay, and then inside here you've got a few little extra springs and set screws or grub screws, wherever part in the world you are, and that just goes over the lathe. It's like a little spacer ring, just so it doesn't get stuck on the lathe. So yeah, let's get this screw put in the wood, and let's get on. Well, there you go, all finished. I just want to thank Easy Wood Tools for sending me out this chuck. It is an amazing bit of kit. And just to let you know, if you are wanting to get hold of an easy chuck and you are living in the UK, just like the tools, they are now available at amazon.co.uk. I'll leave a link down in the description to the Easy Wood store. They also now, for you resin lovers out there, do a negative rate cutter. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and I have on good authority that they are pretty damn impressive. So thumbs up, Easy Wood. And while we're on the subject of resins, Glyn Senior from Yorkshire Grit has come up with a microfine paste. So yeah, that's to get your resins even shinier. So all links to Glyn will be down there in the description as well. So I'll leave some pictures at the end of the turn bowl. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bye bye.